means, because you know why? Because I have no obligation to anybody but the people. And what's important to understand is that we have the numbers on the North Shore if we vote to win.
Yes.
We're the only ones in this race with a natural constituency.
Right.
And when I looked at the polling sites, 9 out of the 10 top polling sites in this district are us.
Ow!
That's right. That's right. And if we pull our people out, we can win. That's why I need each one of you to call your friends, call your family, call your associates, call everybody in your family, in your circle, and let them know that they call the people in their phone book. And then tell the people that they call in their phone book to open up their phone book and call the people in their phone book. And then tell them to open it and call the people in their phone book. If we start the phone tree like we can, which is going around already, we can win this election going away. Tuesday, it should not even be close. With the numbers that we've had identified in this district, this should not even be close. We should run away with this thing, and we'll party all the way to Albany. And make sure that when we come back from Albany, everything that is ours will be ours. And I guarantee you, I won't let you down. I'll be here for you. I'll have an open door policy, but you know I have an open door policy because I'm always open door anyway. My house is always open for everybody, but most importantly, just make sure you understand that this is not about me. It's about us and our grandchildren. Okay? Amen.
Win, Calvin, win! 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 Win, Calvin, win!
Calvin, wanna win! Calvin, wanna win! Calvin, wanna win!
Enjoy Marjorie Day Cookie. Let me just thank Marjorie. Marjorie, it's been Marjorie Garvin is great, y'all.
Yes, she is!
She's wonderful. Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
I take you as my son. And the word is great.